In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an order in Hostinger. If you have a pending order showing in your account and you want to clear it out, the good news is that this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove it without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your Hostinger account and looking at the main dashboard. Once you're there, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your account options. In the top right area, click on the profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can access different settings related to your account and payments. After the menu appears, click on Billing. This will take you to the Billing section, which is where Hostinger keeps information related to purchases, subscriptions, and orders. Once you're inside the billing area, look for the Subscriptions section. In this section, you should be able to see your pending orders. A pending order is usually an order that was started but not completed, or one that is still waiting for action. If you no longer need it, removing it helps keep your account organized and easier to manage. To remove the pending order, simply find the trash icon next to that order and click it. That's the action used to delete or remove the order from your list. After you click it, the pending order should disappear or be removed from the section. As a quick tip, take a moment to double-check that you're removing the correct pending order before clicking the trash icon, especially if you have more than one item listed. That can help you avoid deleting something you may still want to keep. And that's it. The whole process is just a matter of opening your profile menu, going into Billing, locating the pending order under Subscriptions, and clicking the trash icon to remove it. If you're following along on a mobile device, the layout may look slightly different, but the same general path should still apply. Open your account menu, go to Billing, then find the pending order and remove it using the trash icon. That's how to remove an order in Hostinger.